Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Employee Own Access Records in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app allows employees to view and manage their personal data including attendance, leave request, timesheet and contracts while ensuring that only administrators have full access to all employee records. Enhance data privacy, streamline HR management and improve transparency by giving employee control over their own information. So, we will go into the settings under user and companies. In users, we will select a particular user. Under services, you will find fields name project, timesheet, employees, time off, contracts, attendance, and in all of that, administrator is selected. Here you can see the administrator is selected. Now, first of all, we will go into the project module. Here you can see the project of all the employees. Now, we will go into the timesheets, and in all timesheet, you can see the timesheet of all employees. After the timesheet, we will go into the employees, and here you can see all the employees. After that, here also you can see the contracts in the employees. Here you can see the contract option under employees, and you can see all the contracts running or in any state of all employees. After that, we will go into the attendance, and here also you can see the attendance of all employees. After attendances, we will go into the time off. Here you can see in overview all time off. Here we can see mark demo and other time off. Now, after that, again we will go into the settings. Under user and companies, select a user, and now instead of administrator, I will select own access in all fields. In employee, in time off, in contract, in attendance. Here you can see I have selected own access in every field. Now again, here you can see the own access fields. Now after this, we will go into the project module, and here you can only see the module of your own. Here you can see Michelle admin is the user, so you can only see the project of the Michelle admin. In the timesheet also, if you go here and click on my timesheet, you will only able to visible my timesheet. After that, we will go into the employee, and you can see that only the user will be visible in the employees. Here also you can see the contract of your own employee. After that, we will go into the attendance module, and here also you only can see your own attendance. After attendances, if we go into the time off, only your own time off will be visible other than others' time off. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.